there, this is Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I am here with a monthly habit to help you get and stay organized. A lot of us still receive catalogs and magazines and journals that we enjoy reading. Some of them we even pay for, right? The problem is sometimes we hold on to them just a little too long. Maybe we're busy and we don't get around to reading a magazine even though we really like it. That happens sometimes. And before you know it, you can end up with a big stack or a box full or a basket full. I recommend that once a month, and you could set a date such as the first of the month or the first weekend of the month or the 15th of the month, whatever works for you. You go through whatever magazines and catalogs you may have accumulated, and you get rid of everything except the most recent issue. That way, you'll never have too big a pile to go through. Of course, with catalogs, remember that you can usually see these items online, so you might not need to keep the physical catalog unless you really like looking through them. So once a month, cull through any accumulated reading material. This could be newspapers as well, and get rid of anything that's not the most current version. And remember, never feel guilty about getting rid of a magazine simply because you paid to subscribe. No one wants to pay to feel guilty. You have the right to let go of anything in your life that isn't serving you. So start this monthly habit, and I hope it helps you get organized.